guys, it's Jaden Lems. Welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna go to the market and I'm gonna buy some food and just watch and enjoy, guys. Actually, today is very nice weather. A bit sunny. Low range to 14 degrees to 14 to 16 degrees. It's quite fun. Here we go, guys. First, I'm gonna buy the vegetables that I'm gonna need for cooking. Also, I'm using a bell pepper and a little bit of okra as well, and some bitter gourd, which is my sister requested. Next, after this, I'm gonna go buy some meat, some beef and chicken wings. There you go. Lovely. Lovely cut of meat. Nice cut of meat here. Beautiful. Now, guys, my next destination will be Filipino store. Um, there's only two Filipino store in Bristol. There's one up north and one in the south of Bristol. Um, this time I'm going to the north, which is closer to where I live. I also gonna get snacks, Filipino snacks, which is we call it chicheria, and then I'll just check what I can find really. Probably I'll mixing of longanisa, chicken longanisa, and we'll see what's in there. Right. Right, here we go, guys. It's a lot of variety of food. Right, let's check my list. All right, I'm gonna get some longanisa now. One of my favorite as well. Ooh, this is nice. I'll get some another one. And lovely. Dalawa po. Right, I was thinking to get some. Oh yeah, pancit canton. Oh yeah, this is good. I actually just gonna buy this. My brother requested it, so I'm gonna get 3 more. Oh yeah, there you go. This is good now.
Anim po na pancit canton. Ooh. Sige po.
Hello, welcome to our S&D shop
SMD shop in Bristol.
in Bristol.
Sige po, thank you po.
Sige.
Salamat po.
Alright guys, that's it for today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Like, share, and subscribe. As always, stay safe and have a good day. This is Jaden Lambs signing out.